So today we are going to be playing Do Not Press That Button 4. Oh, no one can beat me now. Hiya! I win! See guys, I'm overpowered. And let's just say, years ago, I spent Robux on cash. And I also know that years ago, like maybe in 2023, 2 or 1, I got this. Maybe long before I got the Robux. I don't know actually. What? I'll get a beginner. So after 100 rounds, I can finally get them. What about you? Why is everyone... You. What the? We're just being bacons? Oh, yes. Yo, ano? You win. Now I am him. Blast! I haven't seen this one in years. Yes, I haven't seen this round in years. I haven't seen this game in years. No. I haven't seen this game inside Don't Press the Button 4 in years. But the last time I played Don't Press the Button 4 was maybe like days ago. Not close to a week ago is all I played. Okay, yeah, it's kind of boring. You want to be good, are you? Please tell me you're not. Please tell me you're not. And what? Is everyone in this server active? In fact, this is even a beginner server. Bro, I can't even get anyone at this point. I'm serious. Where is this up? Okay. Maybe this is boring. Oh no, the mummy? Where's the mummy? Ah, it's a mummy. No, the mummy's inside. We both just... Wait, I found a way to trick bro. Walk in the street, bruh. Does no one know what to do? Okay, you have to find presents for Santa. They're all newbies, so... What was I saying? Hang on. What is skibidi? Can I do something? No, that's useless. I win. The power of the magic carpets. What happens if I drink Bloxy Cola? Nothing happens except hey guys, welcome to Noah, and today we're gonna be exploding money. I got vaporized from Existions. Bro died. No, that's crazy. Okay. Jump on the logs. Jumping on the logs. Does that sound familiar to something that was one of my biggest nightmares? Oh, this is you. But is that useless? Dude, delete that. This is too simple for funny Noah. Jump! People are being vaporized. This is too simple. Okay. Jump! What? Yo, guys, did I touch that? Well, other side. Okay, maybe it's too simple, I guess. The magic carpet makes everything so easy. I know I'm gonna build a protective house. Okay, what is the... Not in the right direction. Explode the houses! Oh, and I was supposed to also add some money for good measure! Okay, that's not what I was expecting, but... Press. Oh no! Everyone got vaporized except Bro. Yo, why is everyone a beginner? I played this game for more than lots of years. I played this game for lots of years. And you guys are just beginners. Or is the game just only saying that you troll me? I've seen this before. Wait a minute. 3, 2, 1. Unlocked! I am first! Yo, they're so slow. They're glowing, they're going, they're glowing, they're going, going. They're going slower than a snail. Especially that person. Go quicker. Bro's extremely slow. Very quick. Okay. Okay, Steve. It's definitely not that one. Okay. Oh no, wait a minute. I also have a bomb. Knock on the door. No, someone else. I'm scared of knocking doors. Also, I hate the fact that it's Halloween. A candy. Wait, what's happening? What the heck is happening? The candies made me slower. Okay, we'll push it off. What happens if we don't? I'm scared to see. Ew. So that's what happened if the isobic oh yes! Oh yes! No one's gonna beat me. Random gears. What the? What in the universe? Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, this game is kinda boring. So yeah, let's just move to these. Whoa! Finally, I can destroy somebody that isn't a beginner. Oh, beginner. Yeah, that's a good. Where you? Ding. Oh hell no! Reach the end. Okay! As simple as no as. Final round. Okay. Hey guys, I'm gonna end the video. So okay, video ending. Bye guys.